Hi, welcome everyone. We are starting a new chapter today. It is nutrition in plants. Have you ever seen plants moving? No, right? Yes, we know that plants cannot move from one place to another, but still they prepare food by themselves. So, in this lesson, we will be learning how plants prepare food. Let me start with introduction first. We need energy to do any activity. Where do we get this energy? Obviously from the food, right? Yes, energy comes from the food what we eat. Food contains nutrients. They are carbohydrates which gives energy to our body, and proteins which we call as body building foods. Fats, they also gives energy to our body. Minerals, each mineral plays a specific role, and the vitamins, they are required for a normal functioning and also fights against various diseases. So all these are called nutrients. Understand the term nutrition. It is a process of taking and utilizing the food by the body. It means we take food, right? And energy is released by the food. This energy is used for many activities. So, this process of taking and utilizing the food by all living organisms is termed as nutrition. Now we'll see modes of nutrition. It means all the organisms do not obtain their food in the same way. Different organisms follow different methods to obtain the food. So on this basis, we have two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. First one is autotrophic nutrition. Here, auto means self, trophic means nourishment, it is food. So the organisms which prepare its own food are called autotrophs. Plants are called autotrophs here because they make their own food. And this process of preparing food by themselves is called autotrophic nutrition. Now we'll see heterotrophic nutrition. Here heteros means others. Humans and animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend upon the green plants for the food. So animals are called heterotrophs. And the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. Now we'll see how plants prepare food. Plants take the help of certain raw materials from the surrounding. What are the raw materials, do you think? They are carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, energy from the sun, water and minerals from the soil, and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green color pigment in the leaves. So the process of preparing food by using all these raw materials is called photosynthesis. Here photo means light, synthesis means to make. In this process, leaves plays a vital role. Leaves are called food factories here because food is prepared in the leaves. But remember, not only leaves, stems also involved in food preparation. See, for example, if we see plants in the deserts like cactus plant, these plants do not have leaves but stems involved in food preparation. But sometimes food prepared in stems is not enough for the plants. So plants mostly depends on the food which is prepared in the leaves. Roots of the plant absorbs water and minerals from the soil and then transports these materials to the leaves. There are tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. These pores are called stomata. Stomata takes carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere. So in this way, plants absorbs carbon dioxide that is needed for food preparation. And a substance called chlorophyll is present in the leaves. This chlorophyll is green color pigment which gives green color to the leaves and captures the sunlight that is very essential for photosynthesis. Then what about leaves that are red or brown in color? Well, photosynthesis occurs even in these leaves. In these leaves, chlorophyll is present, but still they are of different colors because other color pigments are more than the green color. Observe here, algae are green colored organisms. And where they found? They found in the stagnant water, right? Yes, we generally see them in the rivers, ponds. They appear green in color because they contain chlorophyll. Because of this chlorophyll, algae can capable of prepare food by its own. So algae also shows photosynthesis. So sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, water and minerals, these are the essential and necessary conditions for the process of photosynthesis. Now we'll see photosynthesis in equation form. Leaves absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from the soil. Then in presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, which is a green color pigment, leaves prepares carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is food for the plants here, and they ultimately gets converted into starch. During this process, oxygen is also released, which we use for our respiration. What do you think? What is essentially needed for photosynthesis? Well, it is sun's energy. Yes, sun is the ultimate source of energy. We know that plants use energy from the sun to prepare the food. Herbivores depends on the plants for their food. Carnivores, they do not eat plants, but they depends on herbivores. Therefore, all the living organisms, directly or indirectly, they depends on the energy from the sun. Now we'll see importance of photosynthesis. This process provides food not only to the plants but also to all the animals, including human beings. We have seen oxygen is released during this process, and this oxygen goes into the air. It is utilized by all living organisms for their survival. This is all about photosynthesis. In our next video, we'll be seeing rest of the lesson. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.